Hello, hi to everyone. I welcome you all to my channel Mantro. Today I am here with Pavamana Sukta from Rig Veda. It helps to erase our all previous sins. Let's start.
Om Hiranyavarnah Sudayah Pavakaya Sujatah Kasyapo Yasmindraha Agniya Garbhandadhire Virupastana Apashaggusyona Bhavantu Yasagum Raja Varuno Yati Madhye Satyadhrute Avapashyanjananam Madhuschutashutayo Yah Pavakastana Apashaggusyona Bhavantu Yasaan Devadi Vikranvanti Bhakshaya Antarikshe Bahudha Bhavanti Yah Prithivim Payasontanti Shukrastana Apashaggusyona Bhavantu Shivena Chakshusha Pasyata Pashivaya Tanvopasprushatatvacham me Sarvagum Agnigum Rapsushado Huve Bhomayavarcho Balamojo Nidhatta Pavamanas Suvarjanaha Pavitrena Vicharshanihi Yah Pota Sapunatuma Punantuma Deva Janaha Punantu Manavodhiya Punantu Vishwa Ayavaha Jata Vedah Pavitravatu Pavitrena Punahima Shukrena Devadidyat Agne Kratva Kratuvum Ranu Yatte Pavitravarchishi Agne Pritatamantara Brahmatena Punimahe Ubhabhyam Deva Savitaha Pavitrena Savena Cha Idam Brahma Punimahe Vaishwadevi Punati Devyaga.
If you have liked this video, please do subscribe and turn on the notification.